Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and frothy whip coffee called Dalgona Coffee. Now this coffee is the best coffee that you can make at home at this time because of the pandemic. We're not able to sip coffee in coffee houses. So by making this high-end coffee, you're not gonna miss Starbucks or any kind of barista coffee. So let's get started how to make this wonderful coffee. I'm gonna start by taking instant coffee. 1, 2, and that's 3. So that's 3 teaspoons of instant coffee. Alright, I'm using Nescafe. Now equal amount of sugar, which means 1, 2, 3. So whichever is your measuring spoon, equal amount of sugar and equal amount of instant coffee. Next, I'm going to add same equal amounts of really hot water. That's 1, 2, and that's 3. Really hot water, and I'm going to use my electric beater, or you could use a hand whisk and beat it. As you can see now, it has become nice and frothy, just like a meringue. Look. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our coffee, our cold coffee. Let's assemble our coffee. First, I'm going to add some ice cubes. Okay. In a nice tall glass, I'm going to add some ice cubes. Okay. To this, I'm going to add some milk. And then this lovely froth that we made, I'm going to add that on top. finally, I'm going to garnish this with a few chocolate chips. Look how delicious it is. Finally, with one 5-star. There you go. My cold coffee is ready. Look how delicious it looks. I'm sure you will try this at home. Only 3 ingredients to make this, and you have Starbucks at home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share the recipe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe I will be posting on my channel. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.